Hi, Tom LaRock here, and I just wanted to show you something really quick with SQL Azure that I happened to notice the other day. So when you connect to SQL Azure, you're really limited to just connecting to one database at a time, or so I've been told. So what I have here is I've opened the connection. By default, my connection is going to bring me right to master. And what I notice is that if I go and I do new query, when I'm connected, initially I'm master, but you see I get this little drop down. I can actually toggle over, and now I'll be connected to test, just a test database I have up there. You notice now if I click though, I can't go back. Right? So it let me essentially do a use database to get to my user database, but now that I'm there, I can't go back. And I can't do anything like this, select star from master.sys.sql logins or something. I can't even get back to querying master at all. I'm limited to whatever I want to do inside of my own database. But when you do open up connections, you have options for how you get it done. So if I do, if I do this, the options are right here. So I can connect, and I can say I can connect to my master database or my test database. Whoops, if I do default. Oh, there we go. So if I do default, and now I say new query for that connection, I think this is going to default me to master for that particular login. And again, now if I do this, and I say connect me by default to test, I'll get a third connection here. And now if I do new query, I will be in test, and I won't be able to go back to master either. Right? So just something to be aware of as you're connecting out to Azure. Understand that you get the one connection, but if you're using default, or if your default happens to be master, you're allowed to connect out to a user database. But if you connect to that user database, you're not getting back to master at all. So just to give you some insight as to how it works in case you're ever going along and wondering, hey, why can't I get this done? And also just to show you that use master ago, that syntax won't work. So there you go, something quick and easy for you today. Thanks.